Hello guys, welcome to this training session. This is week number 3, video number 1, and today I'm going to be discussing and teaching you how to create a sitemap and submit it to Google. So the reason that we are doing this is to basically optimize your blog or your website for search engine optimization, which means that once you are able to do this is a trick or a technique that will make you easily rank on Google, or will make you visible on Google. So most importantly, you need to pay attention to things like this. There are different ways we can rank on Google. There are diverse of ways. I mentioned some of it in the manual also, so you can refer to the manual to brush up on some tricks or techniques that you can try out to rank on Google. So basically, like I said, today I'm going to be teaching you on how to create a sitemap and submit that sitemap to Google. So how do you create a sitemap? The first thing you need to do is to go to xml-sitemaps.com. So once you have that, then let's say growth analysts, that's your website, that's my website, .com.ng. So it's going to create a sitemap for me. Right, it's creating, scrolling to see. So basically it has created the sitemap, and all I have to do next is to click on view sitemap details. So once I have my sitemap details, so as you can see, this is my website and this is my sitemap, index 2. So let's view it. As you can see, so this is my sitemap here, this one. So that's the way Google will actually crawl the website. So let me so I just need to copy that out, copy it out, and that's what I'm going to submit to Google. So basically the next thing to do now is to go to Google Search Console. I've actually done my search here, but let's do it again. Google, so the name sticks. Google Search Console. So actually submit your sitemap. So note that you need to register or you need to create an account for a Google Search Console, and you need to be able to link your account to your website. So if this is not done, then you can't really do anything with your Search Console. Your Search Console is really good because it allows you to see exactly what is happening with your keywords, what keywords you are ranking for, where you are ranking for those keywords, and what number you are on those keywords. So for example, let's say you rank for let's say we rank for coffee in Nigeria, for example. We can tell from Google Search Console what number we are on Google. So for example, maybe for Google for coffee in Nigeria, maybe we might just be ranking for just we might be ranking in number 5, you understand? Then you can see that number on Google Search Console. And some keywords, maybe coffee in Lagos, maybe we are ranking at number 20. You can see that number on Google Search Console. So I really advise that you create an account for Google Search Console. You can do that right under here, and also link to your website, which is very important. You can link with your analytics. It's very easy. But because I already have a linked website and I already have my Google Search Console created, all I'll just show you is how to actually submit your Google or how to submit your sitemap to Google. So basically what I need to do next is to click on my sitemap. So this is where I will add my new sitemap. So all I have to do is to click here, Ctrl V, and bam, I submit. So once I submit, because I'm not going to submit this because this is not what I created the site. This is not the domain that has the website, so I wouldn't want to mess that up. But basically what you have to do is just click on submit, and then you have just submitted your sitemap to Google, and for Google to crawl easily on your crawl your website easily for optimization. And let me just show you a brief way of how Google Search Console works. So just get an overview of what I've been talking about. Majorly this is mobile usability. Okay, the best place is the performance, where you get to see what is happening with your search query. So for example, look at what I'm talking about. This website waracake.com is ranking for birthday cakes. Let me see if I can sieve out the positions. Page, country. Okay, search appearance. Trying to see where I can see the position, so I can tell exactly which position just a second, guys, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so majorly try and figure it out. Right, I think it took it off my laptop. Okay, so click on position. I'm going to remove my CTR and position. Click through. Let's see if we can do that, including that, and we are going to go. So CTR equals greater than, maybe filter is greater than 100. Let's see, done. Okay, so this is a filter actually. I don't want to use tweak filter. I just want to see where my search appearance, I think. Okay. Okay, but basically this is, let me see. Okay, pages. Okay, so these are the clicks though. Okay. Alright, majorly these are the clicks, and you just see how okay, I think I know what I need to do. Alright, so what needs to be done is that you click, and I think you can see more. Okay, so this is the average position of this keyword itself, birthday cake flavor. So the reason I'm having difficulty is that Google Search Console actually just upgraded their platform, so you might so still fine. I'm still getting used to Google Search Console here. So we have about 3,000 people are seeing this keywords within. I've seen this keywords. What am I saying? So pardon me. So 3,012 people, 3,000 plus people have seen this keyword. I've seen my website using this keyword within the range of 3 months, and just 399 people click to my website, which means that I have 12.8 average click-through rate. and I'm ranking 3.2, which is an average of, let's say, 3 on Google by using this keyword. So let's verify. Sometimes it's right, sometimes Google is right about it, and sometimes Google is not. But let's find out. Okay, so birthday cakes, right? Birthday cake flavor, birthday cake flavor, birthday cake flavor. So let's see where our cake is. So sometimes Google is right, sometimes it's not precise, but let's see if we can verify that. Okay, it's even on number 1. You can see that keyword. So like I said, sometimes Google is right, sometimes Google is not. So we are ranking on this keyword, birthday cake flavor, using number 1, which is, it goes directly to this. So basically that's how Google Search Console works. So again, guys, I hope you have learned a lot, and I wish you all the best in your online marketing journey. Do have a great day. Bye bye.